Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to update name servers in Namecheap. Updating name servers is an important step in connecting a domain to a hosting provider. By updating name servers, we make sure the domain points to the correct hosting servers. This way, when someone enters the domain name, they are directed to the website and not to an inactive or wrong location. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your browser. Once the browser is open, go to namecheap.com and log into your account. After logging in, go to your account in the upper right settings and click on Domain List. In the domain list, find your domain and click the drop-down button labeled Manage. Here, you will see the name servers. If you click this drop-down, you will see three name server options. We have Namecheap Basic DNS, Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, and Custom DNS. Namecheap Basic DNS is for domains only, easy WordPress, or forwarding. Namecheap Web Hosting DNS is for websites hosted on Namecheap shared servers. Custom DNS is for websites hosted elsewhere, like WordPress engine, SiteGround, or when using a DNS service like Cloudflare. We can update this by clicking the option we need and then saving. Or we can choose custom settings and adjust as needed. Always remember to save the changes. Once the changes propagate, the domain will be properly connected to the hosting.